Oh, who can that be? Hola, this is Mateo speaking.
Hello, yes, is your refrigerator running?
I think so.
Well, you better go catch it.
What are you talking about? Do you think this is funny? Are you making fun of me because I am Mexican? You come here and you call me up and you say, oh, is your refrigerator running? What are you talking about? Look out the window.
Okay, whatever, bye, loser.
Oh, okay. Hey, come back here, you stupid refrigerator!